Hello everyone, and welcome to your very short video about parabolas. So a parabola is a U-shaped curve. This is a classic parabola. It does not have to be oriented that way. You could have an upside down parabola. You could have a sideways parabola. All of that is perfectly legit. In this case, my parabolas are all touching my origin, but that's also not a requirement. You can move parabolas off the origin like this. So I would have this parabola over here in quadrant 3. Also totally legitimate. Now we're not going to do an awful lot of work with parabolas. You need to see that these are the major shapes of the parabola, and you need to know that that point, so the uppermost or the sideways most, I don't know, the kind of where it comes together, that is called your vertex of the parabola. Parabolas are very common in math, and you will do some stuff with them, but they are not as heavily tested in this chapter as some of the other things. The formula for a parabola, I think, is super fun because it is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. What does that look like to you? Does that look like a quadratic equation? You are right. So you can see that parabolas are heavily influenced by quadratic equations because they are quadratic equations. Again, we're not going to do too much with this in this chapter, but I did think that that was an interesting thing for you to know. See, you don't have to know much about parabolas at all. We're already done.